So in the previous video, I talked about our need to regenerate thumbnails, and we're going to make use of this plugin, which is Regenerate Thumbnails by Alex Mills, aka Viper 007 Bond. He must be a James Bond fan, but you can see right now the description says this is useful for situations such as a new thumbnail size has been added and you want past uploads to have a thumbnail in that size. You've changed the dimensions of an existing thumbnail size, for example, via settings media, or you've switched to a new WordPress theme that uses featured images of a different size. So these are the scenarios where this plugin would be useful. And our own particular scenario would be, well, it can fall into both scenarios 1 and 2, these two ones right here. So I have already installed and I've activated the plugin. Please go ahead and do the same if you're having the same issue. So here it is right here, Regenerate Thumbnails. Now to work with the plugin, I'm going to go to Tools. I'm going to click on Regenerate Thumbnails. And just like that, I'm going to go ahead right now and just say Regenerate Thumbnails for all 6 attachments. Let's do that. Regenerate. Okay, all done in 6 seconds. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's go back to our page. Let's do a hard refresh. And okay, it looks like it's already working. Good. Let's take a closer inspection. Inspect. And there you have it. The first image is 450 by 300. Second is 450 by 300. Third is 450 by 300. Fourth is 450 by 300. Fifth is 450 by 300. And sixth is 450 by 300, as you can see. Awesome. So that is exactly how to ensure that every single featured image you have on your WordPress website is of a specific size. If at the very first time we had done this true cropping, we might not have needed to use the Regenerate Thumbnails. But because we added our new custom image size, and then we came back to say, look, we don't want the cropping to be false, we want it to be true, we had to tell WordPress to create new versions of that thumbnail, and that's why we had to make use of the Regenerate Thumbnails plugin. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next class.